everyone, welcome to Travel to Dubai. Join me today on an exciting adventure to the Dubai Safari Park, which officially opened its door October 1st this year. Let's dive right in and get started. To reach the Dubai Safari Park, take the metro on the red line towards Center Point station. Get down at the last station, which is the Center Point metro station itself. Once you reach, take exit 1 towards the bus station. Once you reach, get down in the escalator to gate number 2 and wait for bus F10, which directly drops you off in front of the Dubai Safari Park. The total bus fare was 5 dirhams and the entire bus journey took about 1 hour. After an hour of journey, we've arrived at the Dubai Safari Park. Let's explore together. The Dubai Safari Park is a vast wildlife reserve featuring over 3,000 animals from around the world. It is spread across theme zones like Kids Farm, Arabian Desert Safari, Asian Village and the African Village. This is the ticket I got, the Safari Park Pass, which is a general admission ticket. Stay tuned as the tour guide explains what all activities are included in this ticket.
Because now you will start here, Kids Farm, and after that you will take the car.
Oh, okay.
You will take you on the tour.
They will take, is it included in this ticket?
Yes, it's included.
Okay.
And will time you will finish, he will drop you in Asia.
Okay.
So you will not walk a lot.
Okay, thank you.
And after that you will go explore a village, which you will see, and there is giraffe feeding.
Okay.
Include your ticket.
Okay.
So you can feed in that giraffe, and also there show there and explore a village.
Okay.
And after that you can go African village by walk. It will take maybe 7 minutes.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you. So Birds Kingdom, Echoes of the Wild, Birds of Prey Encountered is included. Okay. Now from the entrance on the left hand side is the Kids Farm. The Kids Farm is a fun-packed mix between a farm and a petting zoo. Visitors to the Kids Farm can feed and touch a selection of the animals and birds. Children will be able to feed a variety of birds at the Kids Farm area. Next is the Arabian Desert Safari, which is a drive-through attraction where the tour guide takes you on a journey to see animals and birds of the Arabian Peninsula.
So welcome to Arabian Desert Safari. My name is Umar.
Okay, hi.
I'm going to be a tour guide for the next 15 minutes.
Okay.
So what is Arabian Desert Safari? Arabian Desert Safari is a drive-through. You will see different types of Arabian animals here.
Okay.
These animals, they tend to move from one place to another, like a nomadic tribe.
Okay.
Means migration. This is a type of antelope. They are
antelope. Okay.
They are gazelles.
Gazelles.
Yeah, this is. It looks like a sandy color. So the name sandy color means Arabian sand gazelle.
Oh, okay.
The gazelle you can see in our 50 dirham notes as well.
Yeah.
Qatar Airlines as well.
Okay.
This is Arabian oryx. Arabian oryx.
Oryx.
Yes.
Okay.
Antelope.
Okay.
And the horn also known for the screw horn because the horn looks like screw horn, right?
Yeah.
This is the adex. You can see the X mark on the face.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
They are also like they're known for the slow movements because they're easily hunted for the slow movements.
Okay. They're very slow.
Yeah, they're very slow.
Okay.
They can also change their color. Same like Arabian oryx.
Yes.
Same like that. They can also change the color.
Okay.
This is Egyptian goose.
Okay. Yeah.
They also look similar to unicorn.
But I think the horn is little.
Yeah. Why they are not similar on oryx? Because their horn looks like cemetery in shape.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
They look like a sword, cemetery and sword.
Okay.
Type it goes, cemetery and sword or cemetery and
Okay.
camels.
Camels.
They are also known as ship of the desert.
Yes.
Why they are known as ship of the desert? Because they are made for the transportation during the olden days of people.
Okay.
This is the female one.
Okay.
And that is the male.
Okay. It's sleeping.
Yeah. And the fastest running bird.
Ostrich.
Ostrich, yeah.
Yes.
So you have, and they also have the longer eyes as well. Because their eye vision is, they can detect from a greater distance as well.
Okay.
So these are known as grazer animals like gazelles, zebras, antelopes, wildebeest. wildebeest.
So they're friends, like.
Yeah, they are friends. Like these animals, they help them to get their food, like rodents, like mice or rabbits. They will say as rodents in scientific term. What they do in order to help them, they have the good eye vision, right?
Yes,
they
yes.
see from a far distance that there is a predators approaching them. And ostrich can also kick a lion. They have a solid kick power, which can also kill a lion.
Next is the Asian village. Exploring the Asian village is really colorful as it showcases the continent's rich culture and is home to a range of exciting wildlife animals and birds. First animal on the Asian village we see is a siamang, which is a black-furred gibbon native to the forests of Indonesia, Malaysia and Thailand. The reason the siamangs bark like this is to defend their territory. This is the Sarus crane, which is known to be the tallest flying bird. It can be found in parts of Indian subcontinent, South Asia and Northern Australia. The southern cassowary is a large flightless black bird found in Indonesia, Papua, New Guinea and northeastern Australia. They are strong swimmers and can move quickly on both land and water. Here at the Asian village, you will find a variety of food options available. You will find safari mini marts in many areas, which is perfect for grabbing a quick drink or a snack. After exploring the Asian village, it's just a 10-minute walk to the Explorers Village. If you've chosen the Safari Pass with the train option, you can hop on the train, which will drop you off directly at the Explorer Village. The main attraction of the Dubai Safari is a Safari Village drive-thru here at the Explorer Village. You can discover animals and birds from Africa and then Asia on a comfortable bus. Wide range of dining options are available here too. The Safari Park Pass which I have taken includes only visits to giraffe and hippos in the Explorer Village. This is a South African giraffe which is found in the South Africa, Namibia, Botswana, Zimbabwe, Eswatini and Mozambique. The Explorer Safari Tour is not included with the Safari Park Pass ticket. To explore this area, you can choose a Safari Park Pass with train or the Dubai Safari Park tickets with Safari Journey or the Safari Bundle ticket. Once you've finished exploring the Explorer Village, you can catch the free shuttle service to your next destination. Next is the African Village. African Village gives visitors a true taste of Africa. I really enjoyed it. You will be able to see animals from the vast continent of Africa. As you enter the African Village, head to the right to visit the chimpanzees. The chimpanzee is a species of great ape native to the forests and savannas of tropical Africa. Researchers have observed that chimpanzees are known for their intelligence and remarkable problem-solving abilities. These are the different hand sizes of different monkeys. After visiting the chimpanzees, you can come out and see the rainforest. Here you'll find the African deers. Next is the black and white ruffed lemurs. They are known as the world's largest pollinators. Here at the African village, you will find plenty of dining options to enjoy a meal. From the dining area, you will find the first aid shed. Walk along the street to find more animals. In this area, you will find a variety of African monkeys. The spotted hyena, also known as the laughing hyena, is native to the sub-Saharan Africa. The common warthog is a wild member of the pig family found in the grassland, savanna and woodland in sub-Saharan Africa. Now let's go check out the African elephant. The African savanna elephants are the largest species of elephant and the biggest terrestrial animal on earth. Here we see the cheetah, the fastest land animal. After exploring African village, the next stop is a grand aviary. Here at the Grand Aviary, you can view hundreds of colorful birds from all over the world. The aviary features both exotic and native birds. The aviary allows you to walk through and observe them up close as they fly freely, making it a must-see for bird lovers and nature enthusiasts. As you exit the Grand Aviary, you'll find the African Village board. As you walk past through it, you'll find the Flamingo Station. Flamingos are beautiful birds. They are famous for their bright pink feathers, stilt-like legs and S-shaped neck. As you walk further, you'll find the African Nyala. The Nyala is an antelope native to southern Africa. After you have finished exploring the African village, which is the final stop of today's journey, take the free shuttle train and get off at the exit station. You can catch the free shuttle train near the exit of the African village or by the Flamingo station. Once you have arrived at the exit station, go inside the building which shows the exit sign and you'll find the Dubai Safari Park souvenir shop which has toys, plush animals, apparels, gifts and souvenirs. So everyone, our journey ends here. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel Travel to Dubai for more informative and adventurous videos like this. Don't forget, keep exploring.